People have no idea. Nipa bi okrom ha omo hwe World Cup ni bi. Makasa say we be damboa. There are some people, Ghanaians in this country. Almost on my time krom ha che. Enye a John Ambantem for you when you 3 months, 4 months for. In Kofobium wo krom ha makasa way. Some of them will not watch the World Cup. This 2020 day. This World Cup coming up in June, July. Ebin shebi. So World Cup abe two obo krom so mo shebi. And Paul Ambantem for no mama 1990 ha be jibi jon wakoro omo di krampo de dem dom ntafre. I'm talking about those who sit in America, so America. Some of them will not watch the World Cup. Now, and the Afenyo Markin, Eka Sembi, or she was TESCON for Ope Enquara Ome Jimmy, Pa or Ghana, a student or more universities, almost a TESCON, Omwe Jimmy. You know why? Because at least when you're a student, some no papa eka se ko school they expect to say we wura school no they wunim no omunim they wo kan no muntumi kan sene wadwene ye adwuma no omo hu ni say wadwene sebio eba wadwene mo ebia echi. So parents become very proud of their children when they see them go to tertiary, all because omo hu ni say they wakosua no omo nsue bi, meaning when you be eba din so bi be daadaa. Enti anything na yawo fo ni bi omo mba ni bi so makọ university a na omakuma atom ye nom de hoaho omo ho e wo asore ni ade efri se omo tirim no me ba we de onim de obi mpontumi mmume. That is the reason. Enti won se awofo bi e hoaho omo mba e twampo a, it is because omo nya a source of security, insurance cover. Say me ba we akosua de na minim no onim enti asemesin tumi dwame. So that is their insurance cover, that is their protection. So they believe say the moment a wo suapon mu nko ade wo ye obi a sebio wadwene mu do. Now say wo suapon mu na wankasa ntumi ntena se enkenkan enka say makan ade we mafifi mu medi akire makonwu say ade we de say na tie da na wo esuapon na wo bu no wo yakwasea wagimi o papa krama bi odafie ana preko bi a onye no sa preko no wo so onfaso che wo TESCON ni na wo university na I'm telling you. And open kwara o magimi wo Ghana pa o mo student a TESCON students a school for omo universities, tertiary institutions a omo ka MPP ho omo the one of the most dumbest foolish idiots in this country, Ghana. Open kwara o magimi pa omo ntumi kenkan mo madwene mu mbie ya a TESCON for. Why do I say that? Now, you see this. And Afenyo Markin Asia TESCON for. And as someone catch it, I'm say, Minority Leader Afenyo Markin has encouraged TESCON members to reject tribal politics and resist what he described as propaganda from the NDC. He added that the MPP values loyalty, hard work, and sacrifice. He cited the party's flag bearer, Mahamudu Bawumia, as an example, stressing that tribal background does not determine one's role or contribution to the party's success. Oshian Koreano, the first thing about the team is not about these kids being very intelligent to understand Papa from Borneo. Sauti se obi wa mantemu na debia odi a particular enkomo, odi in particular enkomo. I was all tia se sa nipa no sa enkomo na odi no the interest wo ho. When was the last time I would say NDC for student omo NDC for akoshia NDC penyini bi Emma sa 10 for no koshia NDC penyini no NDC penyini no any omo di inkomo afa tribal politics on. Da ben out say NDC for ne students and our student body eshia. Emma, a conversation about tribalism up. When was the last time you heard say NDC students from any tertiary institution, I could share members of parliament, I could share the president, I could share chairman, I could share any party executive. Emma, the conversation, what actually tops the conversation? A tribe. You've never heard anything like that. You know what I call? Because the NDC, when you join the NDC in college, in the university, wherever, they don't actually draw a line. They don't create that impression. Say, NDC now will join. It should be about your tribe, and that you should be scared because of your tribe. It is not part of them. And they say, "Weshia obia onwa onje eye bunsam jemundi." The ojidiane heaven, and the akachana say onye papa. Na oye papa, there's something called heaven. A hongwan obeko. And decide the panel because we are blacking out a hell no. The oyane say obey papa because only one option. Only any other option be what it seems say me another thing that maybe kwa. Inti the only thing that nipani yan say or born the brother to go to heaven a papa nkwan or yako heaven. That is the difference between MPP and NDC. The NPP, the party is a tribal party. Every single day, they are proving themselves to even the young ones. Omoba party, them say, yeah, tribal. Any political party that makes tribalism its topic, wherever they meet, that party is a tribal party. And I say, in Kuala University, tertiary institutions are, and Kamudi Mosia de Kakra Musimunimudi. You are supposed to be able to read between the lines and know said Abi. Sa MP's way, Jimmy. They just want to use that. They want to create an impression, say, party in a tribal party. But realistically, if it is not a tribal party, why are they discussing it? Because if it is not a tribal party, then tribalism conversation should not pop up whenever we meet as a political party. But because party is a Santefo party, na entafo mu nyina no asantefo ni mu party ni asantefo party a omumu bi krampo na omu ya kamfo no mu no asantefo ni bi mbu omu nti every day they have to try and do what? Defend themselves. And in 2024, even though they knew Bawumia was dumb, they knew Bawumia could not beat any candidate in Ghana, they knew Bawumia's performance was abysmal. He is a liar, he is a thief. They still insist and say, all because 9% of who say a tribal party. So, it was because they wanted to wash away. They wanted to find a way to make people think, say, the party is not a tribal party. Because the party majority did not support Bawumia. The same thing they have done again. So you can see, said the limited liability company, which is the MPP, they are still trying to prove themselves to Ghana for some tribal party. But the more they prove, the more they expose themselves. Until you could see, say, Afenyo majority of them, they don't have any opportunity to lead the party. So he started making them believe, say, oh, even though you don't have an opportunity, I can create something in your head to say you have an opportunity. The party is an in and out Asantefo party. You can be a Northerner, you can be a Guan, you can be a Votarian, you can be what? You can work from heaven to earth. At the end of the day, they will settle on Napo. At the end of the day, they will tell you, say, Asantefo na the MPP ba power. Yana na ba afwa koto na tea party no. You as a Northerner, you as a Voltarian, you as an Inzima, you as a Farafara, you as a Kusasi, you as a what? A Fanti. You still does not or do not have a space in that party called the NPP. It's a fact. It is some making statements which they TESCON for now. Technically, they want more slaves who work. At the end of the day, no, the at the panel echo kotoko. No more catch kotoko say, enquano me frafrafono, enquano me zamafono, enquano me fantafono, enqua awonafono, entafom wano, omono mu yankwasi juman edit 2 mini bar santi. So every day they need to justify why they are not a tribal party. And when they get every opportunity, because they want to recruit more slaves for the party. More non-royals they always want to speak, say, say, yeah, tribal. But so when you're tribal, because of your tribal, a chow your crom for and so be a crom for. So every single time they defend themselves, and every time they are defended, you could see that they are jittery. They are trying to let the young people know, say, oh, me Afenyo Markin me yahuneni, me maami ye gomwani, and a manantima bedruha, but we miya frafreni or ye kumampurusini, and wabedruha. They are lying. Party no, mumpeo, TESCON nibia uwom. We are frafreni, we are nzimani, we are fantini, we are huneni, we are teni, we are dien, we are MPP ni. Because at a point, omo kacha lankolo chamante se ne maami ye fantini, told to the party nenimu. Mahamudu Bawumiano or your Photoshop or your smoke screen. They are using Bawumia to try and send a message across the Omunya tribal party. Yana na baafo akoto a ofria santimem a oye otumfo ne chiame and a tea party no. Kwase bia ni wiase obetu deny that fact. The party santifo himfie party. Inti se wo yemfantini we are wuneni, we are kroboni, we are sewini, we are bununi, we are teni, we are frafreni, gunsani. Now I will say you have a place in a party. Ask yourself, say party ne free kumasino, which role? Where do you sit? Say it's not addition. Where do you belong? In the TESCON for Jimmy, they are going to use you like pigs. The limited liability party no sanity. Hwene de omde salakao. Hwen sem yom church of salakao ho. Na san kwase sema se Obama etrafa salakao ho no. Ogi so betuma tro the same in kwase sema fa chema wuntumi ho. Salakao chema wuntumi ha na jimi. Wuntumi ejimi chen salakao because wuntumi ekose party more than salakao. But you see, they are very selective. The same animals want chema wuntumi to be a national chairman, but they have an issue with salakao because we are turning. Don't you people get the connection? Party no mutim no omumbu montafo no omumbu anwonafo no omumbu bono omumbu obia because they believe say wonye kumasini asantini de hia we yakwasea wo party nim in some of church kire salakawa say Obama a criminal, a thief, a murderer like say Obama a church of salaka ho no. He can never write anything like that about Oforiata. He can never write anything like that about Eddie, He can never write anything like that about Afenyo Markin. You know why? Because in their head, a group of people in the party, and Salakau is a typical animal. That is why they will treat them like that. Now, do you understand? Now, if I'm mentioning my DB, and you pick the topic, say, can the NPP, would they survive election 2028? Afenyo Markin make his statement being there. Now, I'm going to send a message to the NPP, the base. The limited liability, the LLC, now a friend NPP, Meguno. The base, that is the limited liability company, a NPP, no Meguno. This limited liability company, it's a liability. It's a company that has a lot of debts. And I will make sure consistently make good party, no. Now, maybe chama die bi nden nwumre enche na mapon hwade take your time. I like vitamin A. You like vitamin A too. Now, mama chawade. NDC Afenyo Markin ka say min there see no NDC seat is safe in 2028. Oshia TESCON for no. Afenyo Markin bi na no e ka say mi che TESCON for no. O se den. O see NPP Omudi omunim say NDC for MPs no bia ni one is sitting here safe. As someone catch them no. Now the question I want to ask Afenyo Markin any MPP for say Afenyo Markin himself, is his seat safe? Afenyo Markin now odi MPP enim no. The position as a minority leader, is it safe? And his seat on one seat no tesono, is the seat safe for him? Is he going to be able to hold on to the seat? Because Mate said, Samia Ukuna or sabotage Sage na no Ekuapiwana or Koji seat. No, Samia Ukutu is saying the same thing. Samia Uku basically used the MPP, the money he made from NLA, to sabotage the lady to take that seat. You know that? Yeah. He planned everything against the lady. He used the money. He pumped some people in the MPP to go after the lady. At a point, he used some people outside the party to go after the lady for him to go take that seat. Samia Uku, he knows. Samia Uku. Matisse also say, every seat, NDC for sitting here in 2028, they are going to win the seat. Oh, really? Sometimes the Montina Bontine and realize and share MPP very well, right? MPP. majority of their seats, me angasa, me have 5 seats ameji. Me have 5 solid seats. I will take it. But you see, Adeba kwa Ghana for him say, so we check in numbers MPP for the parliament. The NDC doesn't have to work that much. We Ghanaians will give the seats to the NDC. And that is one thing that they are hiding from every single Ghanaian. When NPP minority number 90% of them almost sit now, they will lose it. And the reason why they don't talk about their numbers and they say, majority of them, numbers are to parliament. Some of them were even ministers. Some of them, they were even cabinet ministers. Remember, in 2024, they had the military on their side. They had the police on their side. They had money on their side. And they also had the manipulation of the EC on their side. But you see, when you take your time and look at their respective numbers, you will see, say, 2028, the NPP as a political party, a limited liability company, it will close, it will shut down. Afenyo Markin is lying to the young people. And these are things I am NPP from Pese. And you see, we are doing a lot of works underground. What will happen to the MPP in 2028? Ghana Forbeka said, this is not acceptable. The reason I'm saying that is say about 70% of MPP MPs on board, they are not going to come back to parliament. Now, there's one thing I don't like to see, and they don't want their constituents to see, especially Obi Tise Kojo Ponkruma. Kojo Ponkruma in his head, he thinks that people know him in Accra. But when you go down to his constituency, he has done nothing. And Kojo Ponkruma will lose his seat in 2028. Yeah. Mamencho, a few of the MPs. Then Obeka say, hey, now we know numbers of our parliament ni. Hey, inti we know numbers are audited parliament ni NOA de this and you will now understand why majority na yedin komono, they don't want anybody to know the numbers of the parliament. Kade. You're starting free. Look at something. You see this seat, Afenyo North. There. Something will happen in 2028. You'll be shocked. Afenyo North. In 2020, MPP Nino, onya 21,581. NDC in 2020, onya 19,000. Now, 2024, NDC in Afenyo Eric Nana or Parliament, onya 20,000. NDC ninya 20,000. Difference edda omuntem, it is less than 100 votes. NPP ninya 20,353 and NDC ninya 20,232. Seat or the vote or the parliament in 100 and 200 votes. Sir, I have one north, and this seat, I will take it. And let me tell you something. What is going to happen to the MPP? Parliament in this idea way. Because the moment we let Ghanaians know numbers of the parliament, any gap they have small gaps. And remember, all these people, they had the police, they had the military, they had money, they had the government on their side, they manipulated. Afenyo North. This is what the NDC person got, and this is into percentage wise. 49.85 and 50.1. Vote at that between MPP and NDC are sitting near MPP and do 200 votes. You get it? Now, I'm sure idea. MPP voted in 2028. Every seat is there and toss up. We are in Ghana. We will see. Now, let me show you another seat. This is another seat. Where Jagbawi, the Langard, Akwane Feni Jerino. 2020, onya 46,000. Where Jagbawi, and this is 32,000. Fast forward in 2024, onya 32,000. From 46,000 to 32,000, and this is 30,000. A difference less than 2,000 votes. This seat, and this will take it. The first one I'm going to have one north, a 161 difference. This one is less than 2,000 votes. Where Jagbawi? This guy is standing in parliament telling Ghana for say 2028 they will take all the seats. We are here. We no among person And the NPP as a party, 2028, we will nullify it. Ejuma John Mahama yene the NDC, you know. But you see, I know one person who's on your way. Because the moment I'm strong candidates. And when people go out to vote, they are going to leave parliament, and they will leave parliament. This is a drunk. This guy is a land guard. And the difference between on the NDC, you know, it is less than 1,200. It will happen. You are shocked, right? It's right there. After the Markin said, "Ombefa seat in 2028." Yawaha. Wait, Achuma Ponuya. Achuma imponuya. Results in ye. MPP Nino, I a friend set or say, onya 20 in 2020, onya 32,000. And this is in 29,000 in 2020. In 2024, the vote rate from 32,000 to 29,000. And this is in 28,000. Now 29,616 against 28,616. No, it means to say he only won with just 1,000. Now you are seeing it, right? Enti Achuma Ponuya. Sa MPW friend no set or say on person bia behu numbers. And they are not doing anything in their constituency. All that they are doing in parliament is fooling. When they are finished their statue, you be a detailed one. Make sure the NPP will not survive 2028. And they keep lying to the people. Oh, we are there. You see the numbers, less than 1,000. Achuma Ponuya, NDC will take it. Now, Mama Chawa Debi, Asante came south, and Asante came south. What number so where Asante Memu? MPP is somebody seat 2028. We are here. Asante came south. Kweku Asante 2020 onya 33,000. And this is 21,000. In 2024, 33,000, Etiba 27,000, Oluzi about 5,000 to 6,000 votes. And this is jumping from 21,000 to 23,000, meaning some 4,000 to 3,000, 4,000 be shaho. This is Asante Achem South, or the parliament Jimmy. Me say, Afenyo Markin say, on Samia Uku say 2028, every seat they will take it. Ya will krum ha. Me chiramu members no. And the Metram Kakrebi, Ghana for Bibrio, every form to parliament, a temporal. Omina a temporal. A beckon about 14 pe in parliament in 2024, 2028. I'm telling you. Now, what was our numbers way? Where a Karaga, Sir Amin Adams, no? Only vote to be as ow. Karaga, Amin Adams. Okay? Onya 28,000 in 2020. And this is 19,000. In 2024, the numbers are by 27,000. And this is jumping for 21,000. In Karaga, so 4,000 to 5,000 votes in a dahono. This guy, the ticket can, NDC can take that seat. Inti Amin Adams na na namhona. Oh yeah, me na me aba umia advisor. He's not that strong. No. The NDC will enter there. And the NDC will do shege there. Metihano, we know what we are doing. Metre by 11 pe. In the same statement, John Moka say, NDC, we will win all the seats against NDC. We say, more bottom. And I'm MPP for some heavyweight. Omogu Parliament, LLC, limited liability candidates. Now look at this. Obuasi East elections, Obuasi East, Miami Territory, and this is that the MPP say they will pick all the seats in 2028. The MPP is a limited liability company. The candidates are limited liability candidates. Obuasi in 2020, Akwa was also a doctor. Azambian and say onya 27,583, 27,000 in 2020. And this, may he so rest in peace, Samuel Abuaje. May he so rest in peace. A very young man. Ononoka, Omomu, helicopter. Onya, in 2020, Onya 14,000. In 2024, Obuasi East MPP ninya 18,558 our military, our police, our EC, our government, our money. NDC ni may so rest in peace, Mr. Abuaje, onusinya 18,539. MPP ninya 18,558. And as Samuel Abuaje, enya 18,539. Yetu krumha. You see the difference? In route 30. 558 against 539. What was the difference? 58-39. It's less than 30 votes. 558 to 539. And then the MPP needed to parliament. Omo catcher said 2028. Omo baji seats in United. 19 votes. Now the party now power. Now our soldier on the side. Now our police on the side. Now our EC on the side. And also our albino on the side. Or to be the 19 votes dependent to parliament. Because ya way at war, Eddie Ghana for them. Ide here. When I am person who but we bunya make some MPP for San Sam Afenyo catch them kwa Unimsan Kwana Jimmy. Unimsa TESCON for Jimmy. Okay, let me show you this. Parliament Central Region, Asin South, Sofumuko. MPP, you have no idea what is coming. Asin South, in Team Fojo, enya 14,899. And NDC in Stephen Kofi Bedu Jr. enya 13,358. In Team Fojo, or the less than 1,000 votes in the parliament. Or the less than 1,400 votes in Team Fojo, Sakwasiano, or the less than 1,300 votes at the parliament. And as in South there, media mafa, NDC for Mamunye Bibia, it is for me. As in South, Meji Namdia ma NDC, media, Minobia Preho. As in South belongs to me. I have taken that seat already. And nobody should talk. So for Moko Kromfona other than Kofo Chantrono, the numbers are the parliament. 14,899 against 13,358. These are the numbers. Also, and the Afenyo Markin did not say, but this for sitting now, or that obo. Onim so mwe Jimmy. Onim so mwe Jimmy. And all these people, these limited liability candidates, they are not coming back to parliament. Now, here's another one. Afenyo Markin say MPP will win all the seats. We are here. Tolong Saakwana or take Afenyo Markin chen or parliament. Kromfona no South Africa, Australia no Korea, Sikana or buy an MPP for an MP no. Tolong MP no. Nidin ade Habib Idrisu. Akwara ayatiti na nimsa ayuwo mu kurase ni bi no. Ha. The way you no hono. Uko Tolona 2024 elections. Habib Idrisu enya 30,893. NDC ninya 24,000, less than 5,000 votes. Maximum 5,500. This seat is a toss-up. It's a straightforward toss-up. And this guy is not going back to parliament again in 2028. Now, let's go to the next one. Takrade. We Nino. Kobi Ochredakon. Takrade. MPP said that they will win 2028. They will take all the seats. We are here. Yeah. Takrade. Kobna Ochredakon Mensa. Abua Kakro. The wise Adreno. Onya 16,413. NDC Nino Frederick Faustinos. Onya 15,517. Sakwano. No regional minister. No security. No military on the side. Police on the side. Abai on the side. No Galam Sedo Kuteska. Still, he got only 16,000. MDC Nino 15,000. Men Takrade. NDC will take it. Some question for good parliament, they say they will take every seat in 2028 in Ghana. 896 difference. And order to parliament. Or the only 896 votes in the parliament. 800 votes. Now, or your regional minister. Now, or head of the RegSec, Regional Security Council, military shall say, police shall say, EC shall say, BBA shall say, or to be the only 800 votes in the parliament. Kobe or Chidakon. You will take it. You see this guy in Sanwom Adwejire. Kwasiade Afenyo, Frank Anodom Preno to parliament, Jimmy no hono. Wouldn't vote on the parliament. After Obo Tuo El Constituency Kunipa, the military, the police, now or the Ekufu the man is Sikano, wouldn't vote on the parliament. Akwana Afenyo Anodom Preno. In 2024 elections, onya 29,640. And this ninya 29,433. Or the less than 200 votes at the parliament. And I don't pray. The silly fool. Hey, Afenyo Markin. Or that the MPP for. I don't pray. Parliament not to know. Or the less than 200 votes at the parliament. Or the 207 votes at the parliament. I don't pray. Parliament not to know. The vote difference on the parliament. 207. Or Botuo. Or Bukunipa. Or the soldier cohort. Or the police cohort. Or manipulate ye. HNG. A coalition center about 10 times. Or the bar EC office the back ye. Or the only 207 votes at the parliament. Kwasi away. O catch them say MPP Beji seat 2028. Yet ya. Another break Kunipa 2024. People got killed in his constituency. A young lady was shot dead. Or the soldier folk go boat wo. Ye change coalition center about 7 times. Tolon. Omu Kunipa or Tolon. They killed somebody. UDS. We are here. We are not on pray. Ofuasia yirebi kojo upon kroma. Vote upon Krumade to the constituency after the rigging. Onya 18,601. NDC ninya 13,000. Kojo upon Kruma, Sa 5,000 votes in the rigging, no. Kojo upon Kruma is not going back to parliament in 2028. Go to Insawoma Dweji, go to a year of Fonsia Iribi. Kojo upon Kruma think crying. And he thinks people like him because he's speaking English. Go to his constituency, he has done nothing. He does not have any connection with his people. He will lose the seats. He's not going back to parliament again. Now, do you understand? Inti who be to say another pray? Or the 207 votes to parliament. And then you sit in Ghana. Then these people want to create an impression. Say, oh, 2028, and no best summer. Me say, I did be 2028, and they been see that. But the only 10 in the chairman there, 11 pay. Remember Ghana, Nibian GMPP in India. Hey, Mamika Bincho, look at this. We have deleted this one, right? Mamika there. Also recently, Yatihana Afenyo Markin Kojina Parliament. Ekache Ghana for say NDC for I don't know move for youth in the Juma. I didn't know move for youth in the Juma. About power. I didn't know for youth in the Juma. Oh, yeah, youth, and the youth, they should go into this, and the youth, he's speaking for the youth. Afenyo Markin, after the NDC won power, and because they actually employed MPP4 without telling Ghanaians, illegally into our security system, or security setup, or security, various agencies, before election 2024, MPP4 quietly employed illegal party members. Because illegal, they did not have the qualification to be in our various security agencies. What they did was that they illegally employed our party for without telling Ghanaians. After election, John Mahama winning and Afenyo Markin the constituency. And we got the constituency say, "You bet just send your NDC for for omunko for Juma. You bet NDC for just send your for omunko for into police. Omo bet just send your for into army." Omobeji because they know what they have done. Afenyo Markin, he went to his constituency. This is Afenyo Markin. Listen to him.
NDC boys no. When you do man yet. When you do man yet. So what party and winner? Alex now go to police or Buyo. Soldier now boy. What so him ya ye manager? Ya ye be manager. Go. When you want boys to go police, na ya share. When you want go immigration, na ya share. When you want go soldier, na ya share. When you want go fire service, na pede ya di you know who. Go. Now obey one there. Your opposition. Now the young go for. What's it? Yeah. Go. What's it? No, I record it to her. About the MPP youth, what could I watch a uniform? Yeah, my competition. Sarah, many hands of food. What so him ya ye manager? Go. When you want boys to go police, na ya share. When you want go immigration, na ya share. When you want go soldier, na ya share. When you want go fire service, na pede ya di you know who. Go. Now obey one there. Your opposition. Now the young go for. What's it? Yeah. Go. What's it? No, I record it to her. About the MPP youth, what could I watch a uniform? Yeah, my young go. Competition.
So now you see why I keep advising you, the NDC young men and women. So what happened, Markin? You saw what they did, and they know what is happening. So now you see how the NDC is struggling to get jobs for the young people, because before they left office, almost as rascals, and they go into the Ghana Army. You will see it. Go into the Ghana Police Service. Go into the Fire Service. Into Sakwasia, we have Parliament. Create jobs for the Ghanaian youth. Move from where 500,000 people. Where are they going to get jobs? They know what they did. Before they left office, that is the danger they put Ghana in. And so, everything they do in Parliament, it is basically to destroy you. It means who will be on to social media or to TV and is angry with the government. Why is it? I said, no, relax. Maybe you don't understand the dynamics going on. The young people, they know what they have done. They know the traps they had set for this government. They know the illegal recruitment they did. How many of you people are more Ghana heard about recruitment under MPP before election 2024? But the constituency catch almost say, and this is for because we already have our people in there. Now the question here is, and this is about power. Do they have to go in and say, we MPP, go? It does not work like that. But what I'm trying to let you understand is say, answer after what is going on. You need to sometimes hold it a little bit and look at the people you are dealing with. Answer na kasetia abain. Answer na kasetia minister. Answer na making a statement. Answer na ebia uye penyini. And you are making some statement out of emotions. You first need to step back. My experience in this job is that get to the bottom of it before you speak. My experience in this job is that get to the bottom of the issue before you speak. Because you see, when you take just the surface of the matter, now come once a month, you end up at the end of the day with a mistake. This is the same person, Okojina parliamentar, or my NDC pressure. But you see the illegality they did. He was in his constituency. And the deplorables, dirty village people, and all katu omutrim. Ya employ and call for illegally. And we did not create any space for the NDC to employ anybody. But these are the same animals in parliament telling Ghana for say, we are for you, the youth. We are talking for you. The NPP does not care about anybody. Yatina Kroma, NPP catcher say they were going to use e-levy to create 11 million jobs. E-levy jobs in a way. They were said in 2021. The NPP told us, Afenyo Markin Kirby, they went around the nation to tell us, say, e-levy create 11 million jobs. These are the same animals standing in parliament telling Ghana for say they are for the youth, they support the youth, they love the youth. They don't. The NPP as a political party led by this pig, Afenyo Markin, they don't respect the youth, they don't care about anybody, they do politics with you. Because I'm giving some way, Jimmy. The NPP as a political party, I'm giving some way, Jimmy. So they play on your conscience. You see the way Muntaka was struggling. When we see Biana Muntaka Ebre, how to make sure a lot of Ghanaians have been picked. The space is small. But the same NPP people were going after Muntaka. They were going after him. But Afenyo Markin told his constituents, you load the system, no, you're illegal, you're parking Kofuegum. They cannot do it. But also Parliament, they were pressurizing Muntaka. And I was telling you people here, you cannot fault Muntaka because Muntaka wants to be in power for 50 years. John Mahama wants NDC to stay in power for 41 years. Why would they sit down and say they will not employ the youth? It is because the NPP created a demon. They deliberately did that. So the civil society, the government sector, they choked it. Yet Kroma and NPP for about parliament say, Adentina Abano Eyin Kophobia di Kroma. They came to parliament and they were screaming. Why were they screaming? The government was like, a lot of these people did not have qualification. NPP for Bejina Parliament catch Ghana for and say, NDC Abano time Ghana for, but they knew what they had done. The NPP, that limited liability company, is a dangerous company. Don't underestimate them. Omwe Jimmy, Omwe Mambo 4. Me John Mahama be the president 20 years because these are people they are not good people. They are stupid people. 11 million e-levy jobs no away. Where 11 million jobs no way. E-levy sikam GGN. Where is the money? Me catch him debi I was Afenyo Markin is a pig. And will be some metano. Ma catch them in Yankopon. He will never go to parliament again. Afenyo Markin, he can spend all the money he has. Whatever. He never enter parliament again. Afenyo Markin, he will never enter parliament after 2028. He can build all the houses, do whatever he wants to do at Ewutu. I will show Afenyo Markin say me, my bottom channel. He will never enter parliament and he will never get over it. A ben said damn, a ben said a damn. Now you understand. So don't just, you see, and I don't fault some of you people. Ejuma, it takes time. You grow, you start to understand, and you start to check the way you do it. Me need all the experience, but kakra mesia with MPP for muno. When there's an issue, I don't just speak about it. I don't allow my emotions to take over me. No. Me, I don't fight people on social media again. So study me, I don't do that again. I don't mention people's names anyhow because I see myself say I have gained too much experience and I have too much reach to allow small things to get to me. You will never get me. Internet, so it will not get to me. I've gotten to that point where I've been able to go through the mail. I understand how this works and I've mastered this game. And this game is all about timing, consistency, and making sure you are able to control your emotions when there is an issue. You just don't go out there and speak. The moment you are not able to master these things or you fail to master these things, you always get it wrong. That is why majority of the people who watch me, nobody can come out one day and say, Kevin, document TV, TV, this is not boy. You can't, because myself and my team, we double check everything that we put out. I don't care about what somebody is saying, how they perceive me, but what I do is my consistency and my hallmark, that is credibility. I protect it every single day I sit here. We should all learn. We should all understand. Anything that recently, do you see me fight people? Do you see me go back and forth? The people I have picked issues with this year, Samira Baumia and Afenyo Markin. These two people, I'll never forgive them in my life. But apart from that, so also maybe I'm making fun of the person or I'm just joking. But for me to have a one-on-one banter, say obia bomidi o baby, obia kabibia fa me ho, na ma betena say nipa we ka me ho asem, nipa we akabibia fa me ho, enti me buofu, enti me responde. Now majority of them will not even see the end of this year. Why should I even be worried about people who will not see the end of the year? No, I've passed that stage. It is what me critically. I don't entertain those kind of things. I don't come and sit here and say, Matis obia bomidin, intinipa we bomidin. I tune my mind. You are not even part of my production. You are not part of my focus. I try to speak to the people I want to speak to. Because me experience with Juma Wemu.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,